So are you also running a food and beverage business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in this video we are going to understand how to build an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot for food and beverages product business. So like you, I'm also running a same business and we regularly receive user queries on WhatsApp. But this is such a time consuming and a tedious task to reply to those same WhatsApp messages over and over again. So to solve this problem, I've simply created an AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow, and now whenever my user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply will be sent towards my user using the same WhatsApp chatbot which I've created using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll walk you through how to build a WhatsApp chatbot powered by an AI agent for a food and beverage business. From helping customers discover products based on dietary needs or preferences to guiding orders, this AI agent share the delivery information too or offer recipe suggestion. This can do it all 24/7. So yes, let's get started and serve up your smarter customer experience. So yes, over here you can see that I have already created a WhatsApp chatbot which is powered by AI agent for my food and beverage business. And first I'm just going to show you the proper working of this AI agent. So to show you the proper working, I'm just going to open my WhatsApp and let's say I'm just going to type and say, hey, I need help right over here. So I'm just going to type, hey, I need help, and I'm just going to send them this, hey, I need help. And once I'm just going to send them this, hey, I need help, automatically the chatbot is going to reply me, I'm here for you, how can I assist you today? And let's say now I want to know what all they offer. So I'm just going to enter what categories you offer. So I'm just going to type right over here what categories you offer, and I'm just going to send them this message right over here, which is what categories you offer. And once I'm just going to send them this message, automatically it is giving me all the categories which it offers: the beverages, the snacks, the pantries, teas, and festival hampers and gift boxes. Let's say I'm just going to ask them for the delivery information. So I'm just going to enter delivery information right over here, and then I'm just going to send them delivery info right over here. And now it is going to give me all the delivery information. We just have to wait for a few seconds, and over here you can see estimated delivery time is typically between 2 to 5 days. You can see the delivery charges and the rest of the details. Let's say I want to know about the offers. So I'm just going to enter offers and then question mark, and I'm just going to send them this offers. And once I'm just going to ask them for the offers, over here it is going to share all the offers which they are currently offering, which is 10% off on orders, first order discount, and the rest of the details. So yes, you can see that within seconds in real time this chatbot is solving all my user queries. And further, if I want the contact details, so I can also ask them for the contact details and it is going to respond me accordingly. So let's say I'm just going to type contact details question mark, and I'm just going to send them, and automatically it is going to share me the contact details. So within seconds and in real time this chatbot is solving all my user queries. But you must be wondering from where it has got my business's information and how can it answer so accurate related to my business. So for that I have already created a knowledge base, and I'm just going to show you that first. So over here you can see that I have already created this knowledge base where I have added the details of my business, and using these details only my AI agent is responding me. All right, so let's say I'm just going to show you an example. Let's say I'm just going to ask them for the payment method. So I'm just going to type this payment methods question mark, and it is going to respond me exactly the same like I have mentioned in my knowledge base. And over here you can see that it has replied me exactly the same like I entered in my knowledge base right over here. So yes, this is no magic, this is the power of AI agent WhatsApp chatbot which we're going to create in today's video, and we are going to give the AI agent our knowledge base so that it can reply according to my business only. So yes, to create this we are simply going to open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, that too simply by opening a new tab and typing pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser. So I'm simply going to type pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And over here we're just going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore explore the application. But over here, I am an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this button which says sign in. And once I'm just going to click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps. And over here, you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. So I'm simply going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. And once I'm just going to click on this access now, it is going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And over here, in order to create a WhatsApp chatbot, we first have to add a WhatsApp number inside our Pabbly Chatflow account. So to add a WhatsApp number, we simply have to go towards this add WhatsApp number button, and over here it is going to show me two methods to add the WhatsApp number. One is manual token connect and the another one is WhatsApp connect. So if you want to learn about any of this method in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I have already added my WhatsApp number right over here, so I can move on further and create a WhatsApp chatbot. So for that, I'm just going to go towards the left side of the bar of my Pabbly Chatflow account, and over here on the left side of the bar, you can see all the features offered by Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to learn about any of this feature in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards each of this feature has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Today, this video is only going to focus on how to create a WhatsApp chatbot using an AI agent. So for that, I'm just going to open this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. And after opening this, we first have to add an AI assistant. For that, I'm just going to go towards this add AI assistant, and now it is asking me for the assistant name. So I'm simply going to enter the name of my company and click on this add AI assistant. And once I'm just going to click on this add AI assistant button right over here, yes, you can see that over here it is going to open a window something like this. And now what we have to do is we first have to give the AI instructions. So over here, I'm just going to enter the instructions as AI agent. If you want to give a custom prompt to your AI, you can go towards this custom prompt and give a custom prompt. Otherwise, you can also select the instructions from the given example, like I'm just going to select, which is AI agent. And now I'm just going to move on further. Now it is asking me for the AI configuration, which is the temperature. All right, so you must be wondering, what is this temperature? So over here, if you select the temperature which is near 0, the AI will answer more focusedly. And if you want that AI should answer more creatively, then you have to select the temperature near to 1. So if you select the temperature near to 1, the AI is going to answer more creative. And if you select it towards the 0, then the AI is going to answer more focused. I'm just going to keep it as 0.5 right over here. Now I'm just going to move on forward. It is asking me to choose the AI model. So I'm simply going to select it as OpenAI right over here. Now it is asking me to select the AI model once again over here. So for that, I'm just going to select it as GPT-4o mini. You can select any another of your choice. Now I'm just going to move on further, and it is asking me for the API token. And to get this API token, you can simply follow this help text, and it is saying kindly visit your OpenAI API key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So I'm simply going to go towards my OpenAI API key page, and from here you can create a new secret key, enter the key name, select the project and create your own key. I've already created my key, so I'm just going to enter that key right over here. And after pasting my API token right over here, I'm simply going to click on this button which says connect. And now it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. So we have successfully saved this key, and now I'm just going to move on further. It is saying AI assistant settings. So over here, if you want to send a header message, you can simply switch on this header message button and enter your header message. If you want to send a footer message button, you can simply switch on this footer message and enter your footer message. And over here, you can also use this stop keyword settings, where what is going to happen is that when user will type that keyword, the AI assistant will stop. All right, so you can add multiple keywords right over here. All right, after this, we have the option of this retry attempt. So over here, you can enter the specific number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. All right, and now I'm just going to move on forward. Over here, it is asking me for the fallback message. So over here, what is this fallback message? You can enter this message when the AI agent API key is not responding correctly. Or let's say that you have uploaded few details in your knowledge base and the customer is asking about something which is not included in your knowledge base, then the AI agent is going to respond this message, which is the fallback message. So you can customize this message. I'm just going to add my support email address in this message like this. So yes, you can see that I want the fallback message to be this. I'm here to assist you with the questions related to the company information or support. If you have any questions about our services or need assistance with something specific, feel free to ask at this, which is the email address, support email address of my company. All right, and after doing this, I'm just going to simply move on further towards the next step, which is knowledge source. And over here, we are just going to upload the knowledge base. So to upload this knowledge base, what you have to do is you first have to create a knowledge base of your company, and after creating that knowledge base, you simply have to download this in the txt format. You have to go to this file, download, and you can download this in txt format right from here. I have already downloaded it in txt format, so I'm simply going to upload my knowledge base right over here. And over here you can see that this is my knowledge base, so I'm simply going to upload this knowledge base. Over here you have to keep in mind that the size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted format is txt only. And as you can see, the file has been uploaded, which is my knowledge base. We have also received this vector ID, which is the proof that we have successfully uploaded our knowledge base. And now I'm just going to move on forward towards the next step, which is AI assistant interface. And over here it is asking me header display heading name. So over here for the heading name, I'm just going to enter the name of my company, which is this. And after entering this, I'm just going to move on forward. For the subheading, I'm just going to keep it as same only. And now for the initial message, if you wish, you can definitely add multiple messages. You can simply type the message and then press enter, and your message will be added right over here. I'm just going to add only a single initial message. I'm just going to move on further. Now it is saying display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish, you can definitely enable this feature to display the label, and you can definitely disable too if you don't want to display this label. I'm just going to keep it as enable only. Move on further. It is asking me for the footer text. So over here you can add a footer text, and also you can add a footer link behind this text. And now it is asking me for the user first message, so I'm just going to keep it as I need help only. And now we're going to move on further towards the next feature, which is styling. So over here you can also style your WhatsApp chatbot. For that you have to select the theme of the mode. You can select it as dark or light right over here. Further you can change the shape of the assistant and select the background color, text color, and much more. So you can simply do it right from here. I'm just going to keep it as this only. And now after doing all of this, we have successfully completed our AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot, and I'm just going to click on the save AI assistant. But before clicking on this, I'm simply going to switch on this button, and now I'm just going to click on the save AI assistant right over here. So as you can see, AI assistant saved successfully. With this, we have successfully saved this AI assistant. And now what we're just going to do is I'm just going to test this in real time. For that, I'm just going to open my WhatsApp. I'm just going to clear my previous conversation, and I'm just going to start fresh. Let's say this time I'm just going to ask them some different question. But first, I'm just going to message them, hey, I need help right over here. And I'm just going to send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, automatically my chatbot will get started. Over here it is saying, I'm here to help you. What do you need assistance with? Feel free to share your question, concern, and I'll do my best to assist you. Let's say this time I'm just going to ask them about the refund policy. So let's say I'm just going to ask them about the refund policy. For that, I'm just going to type right over here, what is refund policy? So I'm just going to enter refund policy, and then I'm just going to put a question mark right over here, and I'm just going to send them this. And once I'm just going to send them this refund policy, it is going to reply me with the refund policy they offer. Over here you can see that for the refunds, it has mentioned that the refund time is 4 to 7 days after the approval. So you can see that it has shared me the same details, which is refunds are processed via the original payment method, typically taking 4 to 7 days after approval. So yes, you can see that with this it has successfully shared me the details of the refund policy. And further, if I'm going to ask any questions, it is going to reply according to the knowledge base only and share me all the details. So yes, with this we have successfully created this AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot for my business. And now you have to go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot which uses AI and your knowledge base to answer all your user queries within seconds and in real time, even while you are asleep. So yes, now go try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your specific business needs. So now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.